go home. That's it. If you're in the real estate industry and you're not doing something in social media, go home. You either in business or you close the doors. If you have a Facebook only to scroll down, don't waste time. You have social media to make money. Social media is to make money. It's to expand audience. It's not for you to be watching some videos and crazy guys doing crazy videos. Go viral or go home, because you're putting money in the pockets of someone else by watching the video, and you're not doing the videos that is gonna drive the audience and the people that is interested in buying or selling real estate this year. So this year, there's no excuses. If you have a Facebook and an Instagram account, do something about it. Otherwise, it's like if the business and the doors of your business is closed. Imagine a store with the doors closed 24 hours, and you walk by and you say, hey, I wanted to buy something here, but the doors are closed. It's the same online. People is trying to buy and sell real estate, but they don't know about you. So what you gonna do?